In this video, I'm going to show you how to bleed your brakes on your Ford Focus. You're going to want to clean and inspect the cap. Unscrew it. This says .4 fluid. Always look at your recommended fluid, either in your manual or on top of the cap. You're going to use a siphon of some sort or a suction thing to take out the old brake fluid. Make sure you have a pan to catch all the fluid. Keep doing this until it's empty, or getting as much as possible. Once you're done, you're going to put clean brake fluid in. Set your pan aside. Top it off. Make sure you fill it to max. Once you're there, you put your cap back on. When we bleed our brakes, it's going to be the right rear wheel first, then the left rear, then the right front, and then the left front. So now we're going to bleed our brakes. We're going to take the cap off our bleeder screw. And it's good to have a friend inside helping you out. You're going to ask him to pump it up. Make sure you have something underneath to either catch the fluid or use something like this that you can put directly onto the bleeder to catch your fluid. He's holding, and I'm going to loosen this bleeder screw with a 10mm wrench. It's to the floor. I'm going to close it down. And as we're watching the fluid go in, you want to make sure there's no air bubbles in there. Sooner or later, that'll happen. Pump it up. He's holding. It's to the floor. Pump it up one more time. That looks pretty good. And you can close it down. Tighten it. Clean it off. And put your cap back on. Now we're going to go to our left rear. When you top it off, you want to make sure you hit where it says max on the side of the master cylinder. Once you're there, you put your cap back on. All right, here we are at our right front. We've topped off our master cylinder. Put the cap back on, and now we're going to bleed our right front. Take off your cap. Get your wrench ready, 9mm for the front. Get your drain bucket ready or your fluid catcher. And your friends in the car, pump it up. He's holding. Open it up. He's holding. Just to the floor. Pump it up. He's holding. Pump it up. All right, we're going to clean it off, and then we're going to go to the other side and the front, the left front. Let's clean this off, put the cap on. And go to the left front. Top it off. Make sure you fill it to max.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.